Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more travel tips and reviews. All the links mentioned in this Hotwire review, including deals and the platform itself, are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the platform. Hotwire, a comprehensive booking platform review. Hotwire is a robust travel booking platform designed for travelers seeking significant savings on hotels, flights, car rentals, and complete vacation packages. Renowned for its discounted rates and attractive last-minute deals, Hotwire is ideal for budget-minded travelers and those willing to sacrifice a little pre-booking certainty for substantial cost reductions. A key feature of Hotwire is its hot rate deals. These offers provide deep discounts on hotels and rental cars, but the specific property or provider is revealed only after booking. Don't worry, though. Hotwire provides ample information upfront, such as star ratings, general location, and available amenities, empowering you to make informed decisions while securing the lowest possible price. If you're flexible with your travel arrangements, hot rate deals can slash your expenses by up to 60% compared to traditional booking methods. The platform boasts user-friendly search tools equipped with comprehensive filters. You can refine your search by price, desired amenities, specific location, and even guest ratings, ensuring you find the perfect accommodation or rental car to match your preferences. For travelers planning complete trips, Hotwire's Bundle and Save option allows you to combine flights, hotels, and car rentals into a single package for even greater discounts. This feature is especially beneficial for families and those embarking on extended vacations. Hotwire's mobile app is a true standout, providing exclusive app-only discounts and an intuitive design that simplifies booking on the go. Accessing your itineraries, making modifications, and snapping up last-minute deals is effortless directly within the app. Hotwire also supports various payment methods, including the convenient Pay Now or Pay Later option for eligible bookings. Hotwire caters to a diverse range of travelers, from solo adventurers searching for affordable accommodations to groups orchestrating multi-day getaways. Transparency and customer satisfaction are paramount, evidenced by clear pricing, the absence of hidden fees, and readily available 24/7 customer support. In summary, Hotwire is an excellent option for travelers who prioritize value and flexibility. With its distinctive hot rate deals, powerful search tools, and money-saving bundles, it's a dependable platform for planning budget-friendly travel. Click the links in the description to explore Hotwire and begin saving on your next adventure today.